This is another free tool. It is called Raffle Ticket Generator. And in this tool, you can start with by simply hitting this Fill Example button. When you click that, it will populate these input fields with certain example values. And you can see the live view on the right side. You can update these values, and this will change immediately. You can also upload your logo. Let me put this ad hoc logo. As you can see, the logo is visible there. And there are around 8 templates. Later, I'm planning to add more templates. You can test each template. And you can also change their fonts. For example, if you don't like this font, you can change it. There are plenty of fonts available. Let's say I choose Noto Sans. It is updated accordingly. And you can also change different sizes. And you can also convert it into portrait or landscape. And you can also change the color by choosing any of these. You can also make this counterfoil side come right to left by hitting this button. You can also convert this alignment to left or center. And there is also portrait button. You can choose this portrait. You can also increase this ticket number from 1 to 2. And you can change the currency. This will be updated accordingly. And there is a little bug. I will fix that soon. And there's also number generation. It will create multiple raffle tickets at once. Let's say I put like 24 raffle tickets. It will generate from number 2 to 24. That is around 25. Once you're done, simply download the PNG, which will be a zip file of PNGs. Or you can download it as a PDF. And you have to cut each of them one by one. And I think it is done. Thanks. By the way, I am building this pin flow app, which creates your pins from your products. Using the beautiful templates and brand, then all of them automatically get scheduled at the appropriate time. And there is also a randomization so that it doesn't sound like a bot. And it automatically selects using AI which pin dashboard these pins are going to be posted into. And everything is done automatically. You have to invest only 1 hour to schedule 30 days of pins. And therefore it saves a lot of time. It is like a virtual assistant. Thank you.